Have you been looking for a Vitamix peanut butter recipe? Well, today we're going to show you how we make our peanut butter. Hi, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Dad, and today I have Moriah, and we are going to make some peanut butter. That's right, we have peanuts, 1 pound of peanuts that we put in our Vitamix, don't we? Today we're going to use our wet container. We've looked for peanut butter in the past, and I remember when I first was going to some of this natural peanut butter stuff, and I thought the natural stuff you bought that was spreadable in the store was just natural. And then I got looking more at the ingredients. Making your own peanut butter only takes 2 ingredients. We have some sea salt, and we also have what? Peanuts. So let's go ahead and put our peanuts right into our wet container. Can you get that lid off? Good job, girl. And then let's go ahead and pour it right in there. Now we usually get our peanuts in the 1 pound container. Then we go ahead and put just a pinch of some sea salt in there. And let's go ahead and put the lid back on. Ooh, that's salt, isn't it? Good job, girl. Now let's put our lid on there. We blend our peanut butter just until the motor starts making a different noise. You will see the consistency change over to peanut butter from the peanuts. You want to use dry roasted peanuts. We use the ones that don't have salt. Let's go ahead and hit this one first, okay? Here we go, right here. Now turn that off. There we go. That is our peanut butter. And it's real easy. We store it in a glass peanut butter jar that we got some other natural peanut butter in. Do you want to taste the peanut butter? Put your finger on that right there and taste it. Ooh, tell us, do you like that? Ooh, that's good, isn't it? We enjoy our peanut butter. We usually make 2 or 3 batches at a time because we go through quite a bit of peanut butter as a family. So we hope that you enjoy this. Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite kind of peanut butter? If you've ever made it this way, have you sweetened it? We use it just this way and love it. If you're interested in more recipes like this peanut butter, subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when our new videos come out. Remember, healthy food for... That's right. Thanks so much for joining us today on Kitchen Time with Dad. Ah! Here we go.
Bless you.
Thank you.